Hi, I'm Dave Reed with Origin Rehab. I'm here to talk with you today about the best way that I know to ice an injury. But first, please like, subscribe, and share to this video. It helps the video and it helps really grow the channel so that we can bring you more helpful videos just like this. First, all you're going to need is a couple of very easy to find paper cups. You can find them at the dollar store for very cheap, for a few dozen of them. I have two of them right here, and all you're going to do is take a little bit of water and fill them up about 3/4, maybe 90% of the way. Leave a little bit of room at the top just so that you don't spill them. Pour in. And honestly, that's it. This is all it takes to prepare a couple of ice massage cups. All you're going to do is throw them in the freezer for just a few hours. And then you wait. So when you've pulled your ice massage cup out of the freezer, a good idea is to bring a towel and put it down, because it'll melt as you use it. So what you're going to do is just take the ice massage cup and tear it around, almost peeling it back so that you have something to hang on to. And set it to the side. And then you just take the ice massage cup and rub it in a small circle just around the area where you had the injury. Now, you don't want that area that you're doing your circles to be much bigger than about the size of your fist, preferably just a little bit, quite a bit smaller. Maybe only 25% larger than the top of the ice massage cup itself. So you're going to do this for somewhere between 5 and 6 minutes. It should go in about 3 stages. It'll feel cold as you apply it, and then you will feel it start to get a little bit numb and tingly, and then it'll go completely numb where you don't really feel it at all. And that's about when you stop. Whew, okay. That elbow is pretty numb about now. So what you want to see is what we call a sort of bullseye pattern. And I'll show you here in the camera what that looks like a little bit more closely. I'm not sure if you can see the sort of red ring around the outside with the pale center. And that pale center should have that spot that was previously hurting right in the middle of it. So that's how you make your ice massage cup, and that is how you do the ice massage actually using the cup that you just made. You can do this a couple times a day if you'd like. Really no more than, say 2 or 3 times a day. It should provide really good relief for you. So please let me know in the comments below what you think and how it's working for you.